guys, welcome back to my video. I'm Helios. Today I'm going to unbox this F-16 Fighting Falcon 1:72 scale from Tamiya, and see, it is quite expensive for me actually. Okay, let's open it. Okay, this is my model. See the decals, the Belgium decals, the Netherlands and the Americans. Okay, and then this is the instructions, and then the parts of the model. See, some fuel tanks and bombs, missiles, and the body of the jet, something like that. And this is the end of my video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Goodbye.